Dr. Moody, I thought that he had a lot of potential, and he seemed to have a limitless amount of knowledge about science. He would be a good correspondent for the store, but now unfortunately there's some things that are kind of a little off about him that we're discovering.
I mean, well, we wrap gifts here, and certainly has his own way of going about it.
We do curbside orders here, but Dr. Moody literally puts them on the curbs. Oh my God, there he goes again.
Moody loves to help restock the store, but his arms are made of felt, and I think sometimes he tries to carry more than he should.
And, you know, he'll hide out in the plushies thinking he's all camouflage, but then someone will come and try to buy him, and he wakes up all annoyed and stinky and...
His grasp on numbers is interesting.
That'll be $795.28. I've got this. $795, as I said. That'll be $795.28.
So after the Slinky incident, we had to move Moody to a different part of the store. But he's been doing a good job as a correspondent, and he definitely brings a certain magic to A to Z.
You know, overall, I would say he's a lovely face to have around the store.